Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials, server status, and the exact account you use. Once done, update the app to the latest version and ensure the game has required permissions. Make sure storage isn't full. Low storage can block logins. Next, clear the app cache or data and force stop it. Then reboot your phone. This resets temporary network and app states. After the restart, open the game and attempt to sign in with the same account to see if the immediate issue is resolved. You now dive deeper into account and network root causes. Check that your Activision ID is linked correctly to Facebook, Google Play, or Apple. Mismatches cause token errors. Once done, test on both Wi-Fi and cellular. Network NAT or DNS can block authentication. Make sure VPNs are off, or try a reputable VPN location if geo-blocking is suspected. If links still fail, log into Activision on a browser to confirm account status. Then reinstall the app after you finish by validating system-level items. Correct date/time, latest OS updates, and clearing Google Play or App Store caches. Once done, attempt login again, collect any error codes or screenshots. If problems persist, contact Activision support and provide the exact error text, log ID if available, and screenshots. Make sure to try signing in on another device to determine whether the issue is account side or device side. One key troubleshooting tip: always link and verify an Activision ID beforehand. It simplifies recovery and cross-device sign-in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.